My dearest Stu, it's quite a miracle we all made it here today to this tiny island in the middle of the Pacific. But it will be even more of a miracle if I can get through this without crying the happiest of tears.
It's in your eyes, and it pulls the ocean tides. Feel cold night, the fire burns inside.
When I met you 9 years ago, at the age of 19, barefoot in San Diego, I was instantly drawn to your dimples and your sense of humor. Your charming charisma was magnetic, and I knew I had to befriend you. Many friends noted your forgetfulness and your goofiness, another one of your endearing qualities. But over the months, I saw beyond that to this thoughtful, funny, incredibly driven, and brilliant guy who I never wanted to be apart from.
Alexa, you oftentimes stop in your tracks and ponder exactly how it is that we got here today. This culmination of moments and memories that we've shared together. I surely didn't know what life would be like in Los Angeles, but diving into the deep end with you is what has brought me the most happiness in this life. Your morals, values, and beliefs. Your selflessness for those close to you. Your gratitude for the world around you. You're making the most of every moment that life presents to you.
Colors burst inside. Love like oceans can't run dry.
I promise to always watch The Office with you. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, grow with you, encourage you, and comfort you. I promise to honor these vows we make here today before family and friends. Simply put, Stu, I love you deeply and unequivocally, and I'm elated that you chose me. I promise to love and cherish you all of my days.
You're making the most of every moment that life presents to you. Your appreciation for being present in each of those moments. These are but a few ways that you inspire me and make me realize how lucky of a man I am each day that goes by. Alexa, for you, my heart knows no bounds. The world is what we together make it. And as we journey through life, I promise to you an adventure it will be. Today, we take yet another step down a path untraveled, and although we're not aware of what awaits us at every corner, I walk with you, hand in hand.
It's an honor and a pleasure to announce and pronounce you both as husband and wife. Seal the ceremony with a kiss.
Something
heard my whole life that friends or family you get to choose. And that has never rung truer than with my friendship with Alexa. She's someone I know from the bottom of my heart I was always supposed to know and to meet and to love. I'm so happy that you're so in love with such a wonderful human.
Sister, you are my best friend in this whole world, and I am honored to stand next to you today. I know that no matter where we go in life, or how far away either of us continues to move, we will always be there for each other.
Alexa, when you were first born, you were the center of our universe. We're both so proud of the young lady that you've become.
I wouldn't be the man here today if Stu hadn't convinced his then boss to take a chance on me and hire me into my first marketing role. He taught me a lot during that time, and for this reason, I thought it would only be appropriate to give a presentation on Stu, how I realized Alexa was the one for Stu, why they are so good together.